Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how you can save Facebook video for watching later. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and liking the video. I use Android emulator for your easy understanding and clear guidance. So first you need to do is, you need to just open Facebook in your Android or iPhone. Then after, you need to go to your video section. In this application, you just need to tap on profile icon and tap on video button here. Then you will redirect you to video section. Imagine you need to download this video, so you can see there is three lines in top right corner. Just tap on it. Then you can see there is option called save video. To add this to your saved videos, just tap in and it will ask which collection you need to save this video. Currently I have collection called for later and it is selected, and if you need to create new collection, just tap on new collection and create new one. So just tap on this collection. Okay, you can see there's a message appeared, saved to for later. Okay, now you can see those saved videos in this saved menu. Just tap on here. Yes, you can see this video is appeared here, and scroll down. You can see this is my collection name and it is currently set as only me. That means this collection can only see by me. So just tap on it and you can see there is a three dots here. Just tap on here and then it will be appear some menu. You can delete this collection and you can edit the collection name and cover photo. You can delete or move out items, and there is another option called privacy setting. Just tap on it. You can remember previously I said this is set as only me, so that means only you can see your collection videos. So if you change that to visible for public, friends, contributors kind of thing, just tap on that button according to your preferences. Then after, just tap on save. But I like to keep my collection for only me, so then just tap on save and select here. So this is how you can save the video and watch later that video. And there are some another methods also here for download those video into your device. I'm not going to teach you how to do that. So this is all about today's video. If you like this video, please give a like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.